So, we are looking today at an unboxing of this ROKR Scout Beetle out of the Mechanical Age series. I got it as a present, first of all. I only took the plastic wrap off until now. I didn't open it yet, so I'm also curious what's inside. It had a little dent when I received it. Quite an interesting box it has. It's a bit dent from transport, I guess, but it's in the same moment normal cardboard, as you can see, but it also looks quite sturdy and premium. It's an interesting mix. This one says code number 02. It has a QR code, scanned for watch, 8 years plus. Obviously we are of the right age here at least. Yeah, Scout Beetle, Mechanical Age, Organisms Awaken, out of the ROKR series. What does it say? Metal flapping membranous wing, scanning searchlight, and a nuclear propulsion simulator, I hope. With a quite nice stand. So I don't know what to expect out of this. I've never had one of those, but they seem to be quite popular, so I'm really curious. Yeah, this is what the box looks like. The back is quite interesting. So again, Scout Beetle, ROKR, the normal warning, not for children under 3 years, choking hazard. Designed by robotime, robotimeu.com. The series name, the Mechanical Organisms Age, yeah. Scout Beetle, model MI02, ABSN model, yeah, robotime CNC Jiangsu, out of China, and with the European and UK distributor on it, made in China, yeah, of course. Yeah, packaging includes important information. Keep it. It needs 3 AAA batteries for self-preparation, it says. Operation, maybe, I don't know. And it's an interesting schematic of the toy, or yeah, model, whatever you want to call it. Active phased array radar, horizontal compass, nuclear reactor power source, emergency turbojet engine, dynamic and static pressure instrument. It tells me the size, 10 by 20 by almost 10 centimeters, and it's a level 3 I guess assembly complexity. So that being said, I like this shiny finish here. The rest is matte. It really is nice. So that being said, let's open it. Production date, I don't know if you can see it. It's a no, it's not clear, but anyway, 2022, September 2022. So yeah, I got it in 2024, over 2025, so it was yeah, already produced for some time. This is interesting. I'll put it further in the back. A nice schematic, I mean a drawing and the schematic of it. Sort of a semi-transparent paper. Mechanical Organisms. It's nice, model number. Gives a premium look to the whole thing. And then inside, yeah, we have the parts individually wrapped. I can tell right away, yeah, this is like some level of detail here. It's not that visible maybe through the plastic wrap, but oh, it looks really good. Look at this. It really looks good. Yeah. So we have these two. Some more parts. nice label on each of those, PVC and ABS. They have a code here, as you can see, on each of those, which will probably be helpful for the instructions, and the logo of ROKR. This is E, right? The other one was F. C and D. Again, nice details. ROKR logo on one of those, as you can see. Quite nice. Okay. We have a assembly instruction for the model. This is again good quality. It's a bit bent, but this is like plasticated. It's really, really nice. So it's not a cheap cover. Well, tells you that you need 3 batteries, 8 years and older. Otherwise you guide them where you put the batteries in and so on and so forth. Instructions of using the nipper plier, so how to get the parts out. Leftover cutting points can be polished. Icon illustration, how to guide it through, and completion diagram. And take out parts in sequence, as the instructions do not pour them all out to prevent mixing. Okay, so don't be hasty. Take your time. Install the batteries, make sure the switch is off, because I suppose that you are building it and it's gonna be a bit difficult to probably turn it around. So this is the first step. It starts with the batteries. You wouldn't expect that. Pick out the wires to connect things. Yeah, and then of course it goes through the assembly instructions. Looks pretty detailed. It tells you which one goes where. Yeah, interesting. Pinch A1 tightly, so it's quite something. I mean, it's not only 2 pages. It is quite a lot of instructions. So I suspect this is gonna be fun. It will take some time to assemble it. Yeah, it tells you how to connect it. Looks interesting. Note at the end, this is the complete one. This is how it should look like. After starting, it can run continuously for 3 minutes. It will automatically stop after 3 minutes. So do not worry about forgetting to turn it off. Okay, auto stop. Do not touch the wings and expose gears during operation to prevent damage. Yeah, I mean, it's plastic, it's quite small, it's probably quite delicate. Please keep the toolkit of the product properly for later maintenance. Okay, yeah. Looking good. I have a good feeling about this, the way it looks. What else do we have here? Part list. Okay. The bags. What's in each bag? Part list. Some parts have a spare, so more parts than expected. Photo etched sheets. Blackwing, blah 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 blah. Before assembly, I think it makes sense to read through this. I mean, just not just go ahead and build it, but read a bit the instructions on how to actually do things. Bag number 1, bag number 3, bag number 2, 3, 4, 5. The tools that are needed. Grease, okay, this one I didn't expect. Nipper plier, cotton swab, sandpaper stick, screwdriver, spanner. It has a ruler here. Okay, nothing on the other side, so... okay. And here you can see this is the base. I think I can take the whole thing out, it's easier. Okay. This is quite heavy, so this is metal case with I think a plastic back, but I'm not sure. No, this also looks metal actually. Looks really sturdy. I don't know why they have this around it, because it's not opening and falling out, but anyway, it doesn't matter. 4 silicone feet that are quite soft. It has an on-off switch. I cannot open it because I don't have a screwdriver now with me. So yeah, okay, you can. This one we can do already because it already told us to take this out. So this will come. Oh, this is tiny. I mean, I was expecting it to be small, but this is really tiny. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. It has a schematic of the organism on it. I don't know what this one does. This is metal inset in metal. Okay. Looks nice. This is for the logo as far as I've seen in the instructions, where you will put the ROKR logo on. And there's another bag here. I don't know what's inside. Let's open it and see. Ah, the tools and whatnot. The bags, I guess, yeah, these are the bags that they were probably talking about here. So the tools that they were talking about, these look good. I mean, for their size. Tiny tool here. Screwdrivers, the one that has a turning point on it. The sanding sheet. These are just, yeah, look like toothpicks to me, but they have a white tip. I don't know. So this one, these are just, yeah, you can open and close them. And then I guess it's, yeah, these are the tiny, these are the tiny parts. These are really, really tiny. This is the bag number 6. Just to have an idea, this is my small finger. Look at these things, they are tiny. But they are so nice. I guess this is the logo that goes to on the front here. The springs. This is really delicate. They work. It even has a tiny inbus here. Yeah. This looks very nice actually. Very, very nice. This is the compass. Cool. A tiny compass with a bubble so that it tells you if it's leveled. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. This seems to be really good quality. I mean, look at these gears. I don't know if we can see them in a close-up, but look at the quality here. These are really nice. These are the motors, I guess. And the board, yeah, the PCB. Small PCB with a controller and everything. And the contacts and the LEDs and everything, okay. These, I guess you have to take out somehow. I don't know what they will be used for, but we'll see. The grease that they were talking about. Yeah, and the wings. This makes a really nice impression, I must say. I actually was expecting much less. This seems to be really, I mean, detailed work that awaits me here. I put this back, I guess. Yeah, this is about it. The ROKR, sorry, that were my Christmas ornaments, I still have them up on the wall. Yeah, this was the review, and the unboxing of the Scout Beetle mechanical age from ROKR. I don't think I will do a video of assembling it, but I will pretty surely make a video of the completed organism and how to use it, how it looks like, how it works, because I think it's gonna be interesting. Thank you, and yeah, enjoy your ROKR toy.